My name is Seth Cohen. I am Vice President at 3CAD Inc. I'm an AutoCAD and Civil 3D certified professional. I'm also a Civil 3D implementation expert, as well as a Level 5 geospatial specialist. Here's a little bit about me and my background. I work for a consulting engineering firm in New England, where I surveyed, providing topo, boundary, as-built landfill closure, GPS, etc. I have experience in the field and in the office. I was a design technician, where I worked on surface transportation projects, bridge projects, providing roadway approach work design, highway design, and bypass study projects for the 3 DOTs listed there. I was also a CAD manager there, where I trained, managed, and supported users in 3 offices on company and DOT workflows. Some of the software I used at the time was AutoCAD, Sofdesk, LandDesktop, MicroStation, and Inroads. At 3CAD, I'm a CAD application specialist and provide training, consulting, and support, as well as courseware development for Civil 3D, AutoCAD, Map 3D, MicroStation, and Inroads. I train engineers worldwide at Ford Motor Company with their use of AutoCAD. I've helped develop CAD and design standards for Idaho DOT as well as Alabama DOT. I work with Devon's Municipality of Massachusetts in their development of their GIS. I worked extensively with Florida Department of Transportation in helping them develop an AutoCAD drawing template for utility companies to use for better coordination of CAD files. I also work with FDOT providing documentation related to their implementation of Civil 3D. My presentation experience includes National AutoCAD Camps, AU, Autodesk University, as well as presenting at the Florida Local Users Group, also known as FLUG. So why do I love and use Civil 3D? This is an Autodesk quote. AutoCAD Civil 3D software is not your typical design and analysis software. AutoCAD Civil 3D uses a dynamic engineering model that helps project teams explore civil engineering projects digitally before they are built. Back in the early days of Civil 3D, not every Civil 3D object was dynamically linked. However, I knew it was just a matter of time before Civil 3D did what I knew it was meant to do. One of the things I disliked most about using civil engineering software was how I, as the user, would never know if the data in the CAD file was up to date. I'm sure you've experienced the same thing. CAD was simply Etch-a-Sketch when it came to the relationship between civil engineering data and how it would display. This was true for both the Bentley and Autodesk side. When I saw how Civil 3D first worked in 2005, I was a true believer that civil engineering data would eventually be able to live in a dynamic world like other types of engineering, whether it was architectural, mechanical, plant design, etc. This is why I love Civil 3D. Let's talk about the company that I work for. We provide world-class services and help build world-class design teams. We provide training, on-site or off-site, and we can train from almost any location. We provide web-based, instructor-led live learning. We provide consulting, helping you automate your work processes. We can provide custom software configuration, management strategies for implementing CAD, and project implementation as well. We provide expert technical support, so achieve more with our support. We provide premier phone support, on-site support, as well as web-based support. On behalf of myself and Infinite Skills, I would like to thank you for taking this course. My contact information is listed here. Please feel free to email me with any questions related to the course or for any of your CAD needs.